Okay, good afternoon class. So at this point we're still looking at trigonometry. We're wrapping this chapter up. At this point, according to our pace setter, we should have completed trigonometry and analytical geometry as well. Okay? So according to that, it looks like we are a week and a half behind. Okay? But we will make it up, I'm sure. As you know, we're spending a lot of time on the trigs. Okay? Spent a lot of times on geometry as well. I hope you guys are practicing those topics, as it's normally a section where learners battle with if they're not well prepared in those sections. Okay. So at this point in our lives, we're on page 105. Did you guys have homework? Yes, it was exercise 6. Okay, exercise 6 on page 105. Alright, was there any problems here? Number 5. Anything other than number 5? Number 4. Anything other than 4 and 5? Sorry? What? 10. Four, 5 and 10. Okay. Okay. So in number 4, so the question says, we first get the question here. Determine the general solution for each question. Okay, so you got cos 2x cos 40 plus sin 2x sin 40. So this is a cos sin sin. Alright? So which rule is this? The cos rule. So it's going to be cos alpha, opposite sign, beta equals root 3 over 2. Okay. So what do we have here? It's a reference. 2x minus 40 is equal to. Now, root 3 over 2 is a special angle. That is cos of 30. So it's going to be 30. So we go all stations to clear one. Cos is positive in quadrant 1 and 4. So quadrant 1 is going to be 2x minus 40 equals 30 plus k times 360. So I take 40 over, becomes 70 divided by 2 is 35. So it's 35 plus k times 180. Or in quadrant 3. In quadrant 3, how do we get to quadrant 3? Is this the angle? You can say it's a negative angle, or 360 minus 30 plus k times 360. So it's going to be 330 plus 40. It's going to be 370 divided by 2 is 185 plus k times 180. Now the textbook might have x is equal to 5 degrees plus k times 180. Okay. Yes? Sorry, quadrant 4. It was 360 minus. Sorry about that. K is an element of integers. Who asked this question? And where did you go wrong? Sorry? Why did you stop there? Well, once you get here, remember whenever you get to the reference angle, you must see in which quadrant it is. In this case, cos positive. If it was negative, then you would have ticked in those two quadrants. You understand? Let's look at number 5. So what you should note here, what should this remind you of? 2 sine x cos x. What does it remind you? The sine part double angle. Not so. So this can be written as sine 2x is equal to negative 0, 4. So what do you ask yourselves now? Okay, at this point what do we do? Reference. So the arc sine of 0, 42. Remember we dropped the negative. Arc sine of 0, 42 gives you 24,83. Do not divide by 2 at this point. Okay, so what should we be asking ourselves? In which quadrant is sine? Negative. In which quadrant is sine negative? Is it quadrant 3 and? How do we get into quadrant 3? Sorry? 180 plus. So we now say quadrant 3 is going to be 2x is equal to 180 plus 24,83 plus k times 360 or quadrant 4 2x is equal to 360 minus 24,83 plus k times 360. So now we say 180 plus 24,43 or 83 divided by 2 is 102,42. 104,42 plus k times 180 or sorry 102. Okay, thank you.